What's up? Back again, December 2nd, 2023.
Laps, something like that.
Beautiful day out here today. It's 54 degrees in December. I can't believe it. Today I had an amazing day. I was with John and Leo just riding some woods loops here. We came here and we did some maintenance before. We blew it all off and took off all the hanging down sticks and stuff, twigs, the face slappers as we call them. And we did a couple motos. I did one moto. Here's the start of my second moto. Trying the body cam. Figured that looks cool and different for the woods. I got to angle the camera a tad bit up, but I'll get it next time. Anyway, this is a lap at this little loop that Leo had made, and went down the hill, up the hill, this like straightaway with some big rollers. I'm on the Yamaha, really enjoying this thing in the woods. This bike is a fun bike. I don't know. I'm super happy that I bought this thing. And yeah, just getting after it. Today I was working on my tight wood stuff. I was trying to stay in the attack position, so like getting faster in the tighter stuff. So I was trying to stay standing and staying aggressive. That being said, I think I gained a little bit of speed. My goal all season was to try to scrub some speed, and I'm trying to get some speed here today. We did the track maintenance. We were all kind of beat, so I did a couple motos and I learned a bit and I got a good workout in, so I was super stoked about that. Jiving with the bike really well. These rollers right there in the beginning of the video, you saw Leo doubling them. They're huge. You can't see it on the camera, but then I tried. I clean hit them a couple times, but I don't know if I could do that every lap. So going up here, slight incline with a big root G out that you saw. Left, rights, typical wood stuff. Just trying to work on that wood stuff at a pace. Staying safe, but trying to totally gain some speed and use a little bit less brake and be more fluid with it. I noticed I was in second in some areas and third some other areas, and I was trying it, testing how the bike liked it better. Could I jet out of a turn if I was in third, too high of a gear? So working on those type of things like this and that, and line selection. This is really only one line selection, kind of a track, but the soil was amazing. Like I said, the weather, that drop down scared the shit out of me every time I came around this thing. It was quite big. But yeah, no, it also is a blind drop, so you don't know if anyone's coming the other way. This is a lot of people do come to this area, and that left-hander I was struggling with for some reason. Today I was struggling with the off camber, kind of when the bike stands up, I was always off balance. I have that problem. It's my riding style. I got to work on that. I'm planning on working on it, and I'm doing it. So anyway, continue to watch the lap. I did a couple laps here. This goes into sand and into the trees. It's a great watch. Like and subscribe. Help me out. Throw this out there. Try to get me some more subscribers. Working towards that monetized 1,000 subscriber spot. See what happens with that. I think the videos get more clarity and things like that. But anyway, thank you for watching along. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you at the next ride day. Later.